They call Haiti the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. Meanwhile, it's sitting on enough gold to make Fort Knox look like a piggy bank. So who's really broke? Haiti or the truth? Here are 5 truths they don't want you to know. Truth number 5. Haiti isn't empty, it's rich in resources. A 2012 study found more than $20 billion worth of gold, copper, and iridium buried in the Northeast. Yes, iridium, the rare space metal used in satellites. Truth number 4. Foreign mining giants from Canada and the U.S. swooped in fast, but their contracts signed in the shadows. The kind of deals where Haitians see the bulldozers, but never the profits. Truth number 3. Chaos isn't an accident, it's a strategy. When a nation stays in constant crisis, looting its wealth becomes easier to hide. Truth number 2. It's not just minerals. Geologists say Haiti's waters hide oil reserves too. But notice this. Drilling happens around Haiti, not for Haiti. Truth number 1, Haitians pay the price. Mining poisons rivers, destroys farms, and uproots families. Communities are left with nothing but scars. They say Haiti is cursed. No, Haiti is being robbed, while the world calls it poor. Drop a Haitian flag if you believe Haiti deserves better.